Watch these trailers. Look at these trailers. I'm sorry to interrupt you, Ray, but look at these trailers. They're actually being lifted right up. I didn't mean to interrupt, but there was a great... Look at that. Look, these huge trailers, these huge rigs, the back ends of tractor trailers that are stored along this road are literally being picked up and thrown hundreds of yards. Unbelievable to see this. Look at... Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this, actually lifting these huge trailers and just flinging them around like they're nothing. It's unbelievable.